Hey there. So you are working on HubSpot and now your SEO efforts and content efforts are all in one place. Today, we are going to tell you how you can add your Google Search Console SEO metrics to your HubSpot dashboard. Now, in order to show Google Search Console metrics inside HubSpot, firstly log into your HubSpot dashboard. Now, things have moved around a little bit because of the new HubSpot navigation. Here you click on web content and then click on SEO. Once you have done this, on the right, there's the option for topics. Click there. Here, there's an option to switch columns. Click here. There's an option wherein you are shown the metrics which you can see which require the Google Search Console integration. In case you have not integrated your HubSpot website with Google Search Console as of yet, please do so by following our video, which we'll link in the description below. Once you have done this, here you can enable all of those options which you want to see and click on save. Once that is done, now you can go to those individual post pages or individual website pages wherein you can see all of these Search Console metrics. So guys, I hope these steps were easy to follow. And in case you are still running into any sorts of issues, do let us know about them in the comments below. Feel free to reach out to us for more awesome tips. And in case you want our help in order to build that project of your dreams, then do scan the QR code on the screen in front of you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.